questions. 1. What is asymmetric encryption? Answer. In asymmetric encryption there is two different key used for encrypt and decrypt to packet. Means that one key used for encrypt packet, and second key used to for decrypt packet. Same key cannot encrypt and decrypt. 2. How checkpoint component communicates and sync with each other? Answer. Secure internal communications, SIC, is the checkpoint feature that ensures components, such as security gateways, smart center server, smart console, etc. can communicate with each other freely and securely using a simple communication initialization process. 3. What is anti-spoofing? Answer. Anti-spoofing is the feature of checkpoint firewall, which is protect from attacker who generate IP packet with fake or spoof source address. It's determine that whether traffic is legitimate or not. If traffic is not legitimate, then firewall block that traffic on interface of firewall. 4. What is stealth rule in checkpoint firewall? Answer. Stealth rule protect checkpoint firewall from direct access any traffic. Its rule should be placed on the top of security rule base. In this rule, administrator denied all traffic to access checkpoint firewall. 5. What is cleanup rule in checkpoint firewall? Answer. Cleanup rule place at last of the security rule base. It is used to drop all traffic which not match with above rule and logged. Cleanup rule mainly created for log purpose. In this rule, administrator denied all the traffic and enable log. 6. What are the functions of CPD, FWM, and FWD processes? CPD is a high in the hierarchical chain and helps to execute many services, such as secure internal communication, SIC, licensing and status report. FWM. The FWM process is responsible for the execution of the database activities of the Smart Center server. It is, therefore, responsible for policy installation, management, high availability, HA, synchronization, saving the policy, database read/write action, log display, etc. FWD. The FWD process is responsible for logging. It is executed in relation to logging, security servers and communication with OPSEC applications. 7. What are the two types of checkpoint NG licenses? Central license and local licenses. Central licenses are the new licensing model for NG and are bound to the Smart Center server. Local licenses are the legacy licensing model and are bound to the enforcement module. 8. What are the major differences between Splat and Gaia? Gaia is the latest version of Checkpoint, which is a combination of Splat and IPSO. Here are some benefits of Gaia as compared to Splat/IPSO. Web-based user interface with search navigation, full software blade support, high connection capacity, role-based administrative access, intelligent software updates, native IPv4 and IPv6 support, cluster XL or VRRP clusters, manageable dynamic routing suite, full compatibility with IPSO and secure platform. 9. Checkpoint packet flow for SNAT and DNAT. In case of SNAT, anti-spoofing session lookup policy lookup routing netting. In case of DNAT, anti-spoofing session lookup policy lookup netting routing. 10. What is checkpoint architecture? The Checkpoint Unified Security Architecture is comprised of four main components. 1. Core technologies. Checkpoint uses a common set of core technologies, such as inspect for security inspection, across multiple layers of security. 2. Central management. All Checkpoint products can be managed and monitored from a single administrative console. 3. Open architecture. Checkpoint has built its security architecture to be open and interoperable in a heterogeneous environment. For example, Checkpoint products can interoperate with other network and security equipment from third-party vendors to enable cooperative enforcement of security policies. 4. Universal updatability. Checkpoint has consolidated multiple security alert and update functions to ease update procedures and help administrators ensure that security is always up to date.